Hello student, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are quite well at your home. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 3 elements, compound and mixtures. Okay, elements, compound and mixtures. Clear? So in previous class we discussed about the matter, pure and impure substance, pure and impure substance. Okay, impure substance is further divided in two categories, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, and pure substance is divided into elements and compounds. Element is further divided into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. In previous class we discussed about. Okay, so here we discuss about the symbols of element. Okay, symbols of element. Symbols of symbols of elements. Okay, symbols is a shortest representations of the elements. Symbol is the shortest representations of the elements. Okay, so here just as like sodium, the symbol of sodium is Na. The symbol of potassium is K. Okay student, third is hydrogen is H. So the symbol is sodium is Na, potassium is K, oxygen is O and nitrogen is N, hydrogen is H. So this is the symbol. It is the shortest representations of the elements. Clear? So here are some symbols here. Discuss about some symbols here and its Latin name. Its Latin name and symbol, just as like sodium Na, its Latin name is natrium. Potassium Kalium. Lead Pb plumbum. Okay, lead plumbum. There are so lot of here. Gold Au, aurum, gold is aurum. Here some symbols here. Gold is okay. Silver Ag, argentum. The symbol of silver is argentum. Okay, mercury, the symbol is mercury is Hg. Sorry, the symbol of silver is Ag, but its Latin name is argentum. Okay, just as like Hg, this is mercury and its symbol is Hg and its Latin name is hydrogyrum. Okay, so a lot of names is here. Latin name of here cuprous, cuprum, copper, cuprum, symbol is K. Okay, so there are so many Latin names is here. Molecule of an elements. We discussed again molecule of an elements. Molecule of an element. Molecule of an elements. In your book, similar kinds of atom of an elements combined together to form a molecules. Okay, just as like hydrogen plus hydrogen equals to H2. This is hydrogen atom and combined together to form a hydrogen molecule. This is a okay, this is hydrogen molecule and this is hydrogen atom. Is it clear or not? Okay, just as same oxygen, O plus O equals to O2. Clear, student? O plus O equals to O2. Is it clear or not? Now I am writing here. Okay, O plus O equals to O2. This is the atom of oxygen. Atom of oxygen, both atom of oxygen, and this is the molecule of oxygen. Clear? So same kind of atoms of an elements combined together to form a molecule of an element. Just as like Cl2, Cl plus Cl equals to Cl2. This is a molecule of chlorine and this is a atom of chlorine. Okay, so there are so lot of examples here. Nitrogen, in your book, nitrogen, N plus N equals to N2. This is a molecule of an elements of nitrogen and this is a atom of nitrogen. Clear, student? Okay, clear? Okay, thank you. After this video I will ask some questions about related this topic. Okay, thank you. Good day.